It's the Sweet Oak Channel. Boy, do I got a treat for you today. And no, I'm not talking about what's on this smoker here. Stick around. Welcome back, everybody. It's November. Can you believe that? And boy, it's a windy November today. So I'm going to try to keep the wind noise down for you as much as we can. Look at this. We got fall falling. All the leaves are starting to come off the trees now. We got the colors changing. Before you know it, we're going to be shoveling some snow. Let's not think about that right now. I do not want to think about that. I had a whole plan to do something out in the woods here. We were going to continue on with the trail here. I got this trail I'm trying to get on the backside of this ravine. Unfortunately, it's been raining for the last couple days, so the ground's still pretty soft, pretty wet. I don't want to get everything all muddied up, so I was going to plan on making a path around this this gorgeous maple tree we got back here. Probably my favorite tree on the whole entire property. How it's fallen over like this, but they're still showing just a little bit signs of life here. I wanted to go underneath it, but that's too tall of a task for what we need it for. We're just gonna get around it here. So that'll be in the future. I got a bit of a special treat for you. Here's a sneak peek. I don't want to just show you just yet. Today also is a little extra special because we got Cindy here. And today happens to be Cindy's 6th birthday. So happy birthday, Cindy. All right, guys, let's get to it. Let's get to that little treat I promised earlier. We're going to have fun today. Well, here she is in all of her glory.
Glory! Glory!
Feast your eyes upon the Toyota Tercel Race Edition. Hood pins, an absolute necessity. Perfect aerodynamics. And the front Pioneer CD deck with 6x9s, so loud you have to wear 2 pair of earmuffs. Doesn't get any better than this, huh? We got a small task today. Just gotta throw in a good battery, and if you're lucky, we might take her for a test drive. You'd be asking, what would possess a person to do this to this car? Yeah, I sometimes wonder too, but the truth is it was a running, driving car with a roof and all that good stuff. I acquired it from a friend, and about 20 years ago, I paid $50 for this car, and I drove it home. The sole purpose of this car is every year we go up to the NHRA drag races in northern Minnesota, and we use this as a party wagon. They got a couple hundred acres actually up there, and you're just allowed to drive around and enjoy your time up there while you're camping with a bunch of other animals that also enjoy the same thing you are into. And during the day, you get to watch some of the fastest car in the entire world go right down the quarter-mile track there. So it's a great time. So you notice here, we got an exquisite sound system, only the best. The Sony Explode, run off of this very well-tuned and tight 12-inch subwoofer in a custom box. We have custom breather holes going through the hood, so all the horsepower can sweat right out of it. Competition racing slicks, only the best. Inner tubes in at least 2 of the 4 tires. Look at the gauge cluster here. This would make Autometer blush. Under the hood, we have only the most tasteful modifications, such as a repaired wiring harness with black tape that a mouse once chewed through. The only thing this thing does not pass is a gas station. So what do you guys say, huh? How about we throw in a battery, fire this bad boy up, and let's take her for an epic test drive. Always grab the proper tool to clean up your terminals before reconnecting your wires here for optimum performance. Here's for that huge sound system, by the way, the Rockford Fosgate. Thanks, Dolores. Okay, guys, moment of truth. There's only one thing left to do. Time for a test drive. I think the only thing left to do now is to give her the radish, just to show you exactly why it's the most feared Tercel in the land. It really is a handling machine. I'd put it right up there with any Porsche. Let's take her down the back 40, see what she really can do. Was I kidding about the cornering or what? And there you have it, guys. The Toyota Tercel Race Car Edition. Oh, we're having a lot of fun, aren't we? This thing's a blast. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hoping to get a lot more out there for you guys. And I really do appreciate everybody that takes the time out of their day just to give a watch here and there. And sometimes we learn something, sometimes we just have a good laugh together. I hope you have a great day. And thank you for watching the Sweet Oak channel. Again, I am Travis, and we'll see you next time.